Today I will be making fried cheesecake. Now if you've seen that video when I went to the fair recently, I got cheesecake that was fried and laid to the side. So I decided I'm gonna try to make it at home. From Aldi, they come with two, the turtle kind. I have frosted flakes. I'm gonna blitz up and make small. You can get cornflakes, but I don't like those. I don't have no taste to it. I don't want that. So I'm telling you, get Frosted Flakes. Because don't you want it to be great? Okay, get the Frosted Flakes. I have my peanut butter. I'm going to melt 1 egg. It's a combination of my regular chocolate as my white chocolate. Cooking oil. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'm going to get started. I went ahead and blended it, and I'm going to just put it inside this 1 egg that I'm going to crack inside of here. Okay, my oil is getting hot. I have that on like medium hot. I'm about to use my hand because I don't have time for this. You want to get the size as well. I just want to drip off the excess, put it inside these little frosted flakes. Or maybe just move it around. Coated good enough, but still. I'm going to dip it again inside the egg, and I'll put it again in here. It's been about 2 minutes. Grease is on the popping. If you can hear it, take it out soon because it ain't gonna take long. I'm gonna take this off in a few seconds. Take this off now. Okay. Shake off the excess. Put this on a rack. I'm gonna let that cool for about a minute or two, and then I'm sure next step as well. Peanut butter that I attempted to melt, but it ain't really get that how I want it. I'm gonna put a little bit of my white chocolate in here. Just mix that up a little. If you've seen the original video, it was too much sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna try to put less. This look good, y'all. I just drizzled just a teensy bit more of the peanut butter sauce. Now, I know it might be just a teensy bit different. The original one, it was made with pancake batter. This is made with cornflakes. But the thing, if you've seen that video, it was with the overpowering sauce. That's why I wanted to see mainly with this one. Is it better since I didn't got all that sauce, or will it still be the same? It was going to be probably a little different too, because that was probably just regular plain cheesecake. However, cheesecake is cheesecake to me. Let me get to the part mainly at the end that I got the sauce first. And it's holding up good too. I'm trying to think, did the one up there? Okay, it did, but it didn't taste like cheesecake to me. You guys see that video? I thought I would have to like keep putting it in the freezer. I definitely taste the cornflakes. It is been fried. And it's just like a brownie, like a fried brownie. I'm still not getting that cheesecake yet though. But it's good. It's good. You definitely taste the fried cornflakes on it. It tastes like a brownie, but it's like a toned down brownie, because if you watch my channel, I don't like all that chocolate unless it's like mixed with another flavor. And the other flavor is that cream cheese. However, I can't really tell. If I didn't know it was cream cheese in this, and just like I said in that video, I think whenever you fry cream cheese, you can't really tell it's cream cheese like that. Which defeats the purpose, because you do want to taste it as cream cheese. I'm going to taste it one more time again now. Okay, this part tastes a little bit more, but it's probably maybe due to the fact that I know that cream cheese is in it. If I didn't know, it's just like when I did those taste tests of the wedding cakes. If you've seen those videos, some of them I didn't really know the flavor, but I'm pretty sure if I would have like knew the flavor, like, oh yeah, this is like, it's not bad at all. Just can't really tell. It's like a hint of cream cheese, but barely. Oh, you know, but I do love the fact that it's not overpowering. Like, you can taste it more. So even though it don't taste as much like cheesecake, but it's still not like overpowering with the sauce. With the sauce in that video, it was due to the fact that it was so much sauce, and I thought that's the reason why I couldn't taste the cheesecake. But you just can't taste the cheesecake. Now with the other video, due to the fact that I know it wasn't the sauce, I still don't want all that sauce on my food, baby. You still did too much. This is the route you need to go. This is how much you need to put on there. You don't gotta do all that. But it's still good though. What would I rate this? It's good, but it's not really giving cheesecake. I give it a 9.5. Yeah, have a blessed day.